Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Irene Ardla Rosa. I'm from BS Cream Ordaneta. The history of the Philippines is a complex and multifaceted narrative spanning thousands of years, shaped by the diverse of cultures, foreign influence, and internal developments. The first settlers arrived around 30,000 years ago, developing distinct culture, language, and social structures. The modern understanding of the Philippine history often begin with the arrival of the first foreign explorer, such Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, making the beginning of Spanish colonization. The Filipino people's identity has been continuously shaped by indigenous traditions, colonial experience, and modern struggles from independence and self-determination. The concept of Maharlika is a lens through which we can understand the complexities of Philippine identity of nationhood. The entire of the Philippines begins with the sophisticated maritime culture, advanced metalworking, and intricate network connection with the archipelago to the weather world. The tradition of American rule brought a new challenge and opportunity, but also saw the rise of Filipino nationalism, ultimately leading the Declaration of Independence. Thank you po!